Today, we're taking a look at a car that redefined automotive design, the 1955 Citroën DS21. A true classic that combines stunning style with cutting-edge technology for its time. This isn't just any car, it's a glimpse into the future of motoring when it was first released, and even 70 years later, it still manages to turn heads. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The Citroën DS21 is instantly recognizable, thanks to its unmistakable aerodynamic silhouette. With a sleek, flowing body and a smooth, almost futuristic design, it was ahead of its time. This car was designed with one thing in mind, to be a showstopper. The curvaceous body is complemented by the long, narrow headlights that give it an almost otherworldly presence on the road. The chrome accents, along with the unique alloy wheels, give this car an air of elegance, while the white paint job here just amplifies that sense of sophistication. It's not just about looks, though, this design was also about efficiency. The front end has a shape that improves aerodynamics, helping the DS21 stand out as a visionary piece of automotive engineering in 1955. Now, stepping inside, the DS21 offers a driving experience that was a revolution for its era. The interior feels spacious and luxurious, with plush upholstery and plenty of room for both the driver and passengers. It's simple yet stylish, materials like leather and soft fabric create a comfortable ambience. The dashboard, though minimalistic, features easy-to-read gauges and a unique steering wheel that wraps around, offering an ergonomic driving position. The steering wheel is iconic in itself, unlike any other you've seen, with a distinctive design that almost looks like it belongs in a spaceship. The seats are comfortable, offering ample support for long journeys. And don't forget about the futuristic, for its time, hydropneumatic suspension system, which not only made the ride incredibly smooth but also allowed the car to adjust its ride height automatically, depending on the terrain. When it comes to performance, the DS21 certainly doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it houses a 2.1-liter engine, which delivers a solid 109 horsepower, enough to give the car a smooth yet responsive driving experience. What makes this car stand out, though, is the hydropneumatic suspension, which ensures an unparalleled level of comfort, gliding over bumps like they're not even there. Driving the DS21 feels like gliding, thanks to that innovative suspension system. The handling is precise, and though it's not a sports car, it certainly offers a sense of agility and poise you wouldn't expect from a car built in the 1950s. Now, for the price. The 1955 Citroën DS21, even today, is a rare gem. If you're lucky enough to find one for sale, you can expect to pay anywhere from $30,000 to $80,000, depending on the car's condition, originality, and modifications. It's certainly an investment, but one that pays off in sheer driving pleasure and the unmatched thrill of owning a true piece of automotive history. So, whether you're an enthusiast, a collector, or just someone who appreciates exceptional design, the 1955 Citroën DS21 remains a timeless classic. With its futuristic look, revolutionary suspension, and overall charm, it's not just a car, it's an experience. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe for more reviews of legendary cars like this one. See you next time.